We already solved the above two puzzles. Now we will solve the snake cube puzzle. We have to make a cube from a snake. But where is snake? Let's untangle this cube. We have to find a end of the cube so that we can untangle it. Untangling is also a little difficult one. Okay, I found it. Okay, now our snake is forming. I was saying you about our snake. Where is snake? And this is a snake cube puzzle. Untangling is easy compared to making it a cube. So you see here we have W on downside and M on the top. Okay, we will turn it upside down. Now we have the W and M on the other side. This is W and this is forming M. On the bottom hand we have M. On this side search for a S position. You see this 3x3 cube, this is forming similar to S. Yeah, we have to twist it at this position. So turn around and then turn this shapes in this way. Just follow the instruction one by one. Okay, now turn the backside cube. Okay, I'm also confused now. Let me redo it. I'm sorry for that. Let's redo it. Again, we are in the same position. We will flip the S from the back side. Now we have 3x3 and the other one will flip it backside, and in the back part we will flip it on the top, and we will bring this to the front and to the back side. So we got the shape like this. Now we have a single gap here and the two gap on the back side. So we have to fill this gap and the 3 to 5. Now we have this two gap, I mean two cube here, and the back side we have 3 cube. So now we are in a position to start forming our cube. So fill that gap. Now turn around like 180 degree. So this will fill our gap, and we have 3 cube. We will fill the 3 cube gap. Again here we have 3 cube. We will fill this gap as well. Okay, now slowly our cube is getting formed. So turn around, just see this one. We have the 3 cube and we have the 2 cube. If you flip it 90 degree, 1 minute. It's not flipping because of the odd cubes. Okay, we will be flipping the 2 cube, sorry. And if we move down, this will flip our the bottom 3 cube, and now we will rotate this 180 degree to fill that gap. Okay, again these 3 cubes are there outside of the box. We will flip it 180 degree again to fill to form that top kind of left side layer. Okay, now it's very simple and obvious. Just flip it down 90 degree, and the last row on the left and the last column is left. This forms our cube. Hope you have enjoyed this puzzle solution of snake and cube. The next video will be on the Tetris burr puzzle. Check the playlist for all the burr puzzle solution. Thank you. Bye bye.